guys. And now I'm gonna show you how to make a jet. A jet, yeah, a big one. All right, so here's the body. I didn't break it in parts because I thought I might forget how to make it. Well, yeah. I'll just break it if you want me to. Alright, so it's just like that. Kinda. Yeah, like that. And yeah, it's just like that. And yeah. So I'm gonna put everything back where it was.
Quack, quack.
Something like that. No. That.
Quack,
Put that
quack.
back there. Hey, Henry the duck. Go away. If you want to watch it on YouTube, Henry. Alright.
Henry Road.
I think I'm missing a piece.
Look
Okay,
at
never
his
mind.
tail. Look.
Get away!
I killed one.
Go away. Alright. Woohoo. I guess, I don't think I remember. I put this there. And then, I guess, yeah, I think it's kind of like that.
I decorated him. Look. He is a frog.
Go away! Yeah, like that. So it's like a trident or something. Next. Oh, I think I'm gonna forget. This should be wrong. I'm just gonna get that away first. Put that on there. Put that on there. Where's the other stuff? Put that on there. And put that on there. Is it like that? Or is it, oh yeah, I think it's like that over here. Yep, it's like that. Oh, and this is there, I guess. Yep, so it's like that. And then, wow, I kind of forgot. I think I remember. Oh, yes, I remember. Put that there, maybe? Oh, put there. That, there. That over here. Yeah, like that. Put that there.
Oh, look at the spaceship.
And,
Or look at the spaceship.
put that there.
Oh.
Like that.
Like that.
And then the same here. Yeah. Wait, something's wrong here. I think something's wrong here. My spaceship wasn't like that. Let's see, put that, okay, just write this part out. It wasn't supposed to be like that. I think it's wrong. It's here, right? It's there. It's right. I think it's this one that's wrong. Should be here. It's like that. Yeah, I figured it out. Like that. Yeah. Kind of like that. Something.
Those wings are so big. These wings are so big.
Hey. That, I guess. Alright. Yeah, this is how it goes. Yeah. Did it correct? Alright. Yep. It takes a long time. Alright, come back with a piece that I needed. Starting to become a spaceship. Like that. Alright, next we're gonna add the decorations.
Decorations.
And yeah, like that. Next, the wings. This has two wings. Yeah, put it there. Put the other wing here. Put that over there. Cover this up so it's stable. Nope. That's not supposed to be there. Yeah, like that. Yep. Now the back is finished and done. Next, we're gonna make the front. So, put this there. And you'll need this. You need these, these two, and this thing. So put those two there. Put them on there. Yeah, like that. And put these over there. Like that. Okay. So now this part. I think we're missing something again.
Here, this. I found it.
Why am I always missing things? Is that the right thing? No.
Where is it? Okay, it's here. What? Remember, it's your part. 2 blocks and flat. Where is it? This. I didn't hit it. I only hit 2. Daddy hit 2, that's all.
Ah. Never mind that piece. Get away.
Hey! You just broke
Alright, like that. Put that down there. Yeah.
it. Just killed it.
And then place this blue thing there. Okay, go to the bottom. Place this over
Every
there.
there is heavy.
Oh, almost forgot. Wrong. Place this first here. And then place that. So yeah, like that I guess. Ah. Place another one. Kind of finished, but it's not. Place this there, like that. Oh, I'm missing a lot of pieces. Where'd they go? Like that.
Yep.
Just like that. I'm not missing any pieces. Oh, and I forgot to put this. Oh, it's wrong way. Alright, like that. And that. Here's your own jet. Ready for takeoff.
Boom!
Fly.
Hey, you forgot this thing.
Oh, yeah. And put a sting over there. I almost forgot about that, the most important part.
And
Okay.
you forgot the rocket launcher. Boo!
Shut up, Ducky. Henry.
It's not a duck.
You are Henry.
You are.
I'm not. You are the duck.
Okay.
Say quack. You don't talk.
Never.
But you're the duck. Okay, never mind.
I'm
Bye, guys.
controlling the duck. Then
Okay,
why did you
bye.
say quiet just now?
Watch my other videos